In this class we are going to discuss about introduction of logic gates. So as name indicates, these are similar to normal gates which allow or deny digital logic signal, or digital logic gates are used. These are the basic building blocks of any digital circuit design. Without logic gates we can't design any digital circuit. Let us see here. We are having we are discuss about the logic gates. Means logic gates, we are having three basic gates. Logic gates are divided into three parts. These are basic gates, these are three gates, basic gates. Basic gates are three types. These are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And second one is your universal gate. Universal gate. Universal gates are divided into two types. These are NAND gate and NOR gate. And last one is your other gates. Other gate also two types. One is XOR gates. Other gates. One is XOR gates. Another one is XNOR gates. XNOR gates. These are the logic gates. And logic gates are the basic building block of any digital circuit design. We are having other gates are two types, XOR gates and XNOR gates. So now these are the names of logic gates. So here why we are calling these? Second one is your NAND or NOR. Suppose second one is your universal gate, NAND or NOR. The second gate is our universal gate. Universal gates are NAND and NOR. So here why we are calling these two NAND or NOR gates are universal gates, means by using two NAND and NOR gates we can realize all other gates. That's why we are calling these two as universal gates. We are realize all other gates in using NAND and NOR both. Now we will see logic symbols. So first of all, logic symbols of basic gates. The basic gates first of all, AND gate. AND gate, logic symbol of AND gate. Logic symbol of AND gate. For AND gate, the logic symbol is like this. This is the logic symbol of AND gates. So it is having two or more than two input, means this one is 1 or another one is 1. Two inputs, it's having two or more than two input and only one output. So more than two input means two lines, means these are the two lines. Two lines means two input. Three line means three input AND gate. Two line means two input AND gate. So here we use two input NAND gate. Two input NAND gate means two lines here. So two input NAND gates, and naming as the input A and B, and naming as the output is here Y. we can say two input A and B and the output Y. So similarly we are having logic symbol of NOT gate. Then the basic gate, second one is your NOT gate. NOT gate. The logic symbol of NOT gate is like this. This is the logic symbol of NOT gate. For NOT gate, there is only one input and one output. The output is complement of the input. Complement of the input means here the input is suppose A, the output is A complement. NOT gate only one input here and only one output here. So suppose input is your A, then the output is A complement. Then third one is your OR gate. OR gate means